Good morning. I slept in. It's after 8 o'clock. This campsite is so peaceful. And look at, I heard the ocean waves all night long. Oh, it's gonna focus on the window. They're out there. There they are. At night it got really loud. I was like, it sounded like an air conditioner on. I was like, what? And I remember it's the waves. And I have a perfect spot. Oh, I just woke up. I have a perfect spot right here because I can walk out there and, you know, just, you can't go too far. It's blocked off. But the only drawback is I'm the only one that has this. So my neighbors are all coming over here to take pictures in my backyard, which is fine. I want them to enjoy it too. It's just weird, you know. But I'm okay with that. I don't care. Everybody should enjoy this. But it's hard to record out there because I don't really have privacy and I don't want to have my camera out on people's faces. So, and if I open my door, which I will once I get dressed, you know, I don't know who's going to be out there. But I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, look at that bunny. Look at the bunny. Oh, cute. Oh, it's just a dead end. I was gonna go out there and read my devotional, take my towel and glasses and stuff, and it got windy all of a sudden. I was like, oh, it's too cold, it's too windy. It got loud, like the waves started crashing really loud, and I thought, what just happened? So I'm gonna take off and go meet my sister at a new location. But this was really nice, really peaceful. Oh, look at the bunny. There he is. Happy Easter. Oh, there he goes. This is my Easter right here. Isn't he cute? My niece is hiding these in Easter eggs for her little boy. I was like, I want one. Look at that. Ah. All right, time to go. Thanks, Liz, for my campground fees. I'm gonna make something to eat and hopefully the winds will die down and I can have a nice visit with my sister. If not, at least have a good meal. It's nice to see the bunnies versus the little flea-infested rodents. That's what I call the squirrels. Flea-infested rodents. I heard noises last night. I was just like, oh, I hope I don't have a mouse in here. But I realized it's probably the squirrels trying to get up on my tire and trying to sneak in. Who knows? I can't believe how windy it got all of a sudden. Anyways, I'm gonna go and meet my sister and probably I'll have time to make breakfast first. I've just been lazy. I've just been like, I should have gone for a walk, you know, before the wind, but you know what I realized? Okay, so there's a difference between people that go camping and people that live in their vehicles. People that go camping, they set everything up, they're socializing, they're, you know, building a fire, all that stuff. I live in my vehicle. This is my everyday life. So when somebody came by and said, do you want some wood? I'm just like, no. It's like, I live this lifestyle. It's not like, oh, I got to squeeze all this in within a period of time. I'm just at home all the time. So it's like, not that it's no big deal. It is a big deal, but it's just, I'm not in a time crunch. I'm not like, oh, I've got to, you know, this is time delegated just for socializing and for, you know, like you have to do these things, right? If it doesn't happen today, maybe tomorrow. That's my new shirt. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, let's get on the road. Bye-bye. That was perfect. It's exactly what I needed. Morrow Strand State Park or beach. One of those. It's that CRS. Look at how windy it got though. Okay. It'll be alright. Whew. Felt that chilly. State Beach. Morrow Strand State Beach. Alright, let's go. Oh, we're gonna see it even cheaper. $7.29 is cheaper than I had to come in because it was just getting windy. It's 16-mile-per-hour winds. It's a great day for a kite. I asked the local, I'm like, is it normally like this windy? I mean, look at this. Look at that poor guy over there. I had it all over my face, my neck, everywhere. Oh, I had to clean up and I was just like, yeah, I'm in.